Your Facebook lead ads are working perfectly. That is actually the problem. Because you see, getting leads is easy, but getting leads that actually buy from you, that is where most businesses fail completely. And if you've ever paid for 50 leads and converted 0 of them, this video is going to explain exactly why and how to fix it. Here is the thing nobody in this space wants to say out loud. A low cost per lead is not a good thing. Let me repeat that. A low cost per lead, which everyone celebrates, is often a sign that your campaign is broken. So you see, when your lead ad is set up wrong, Facebook goes out and finds the easiest people to fill in a form. And the easiest people to fill in a form on Facebook are not your customers. They are bored people. They are people who tap on anything. They are people who filled in your form by accident and have no idea who you are. So you see, Facebook algorithm is optimizing for form completions, not for buyers, not for qualified prospects, just submissions. So when you celebrate a 500 Naira cost per lead, ask yourself, how many of those 200 leads actually became customers? If the answer is 0 or close to 0, you don't have a lead volume problem. You have a lead quality problem. And that is a completely different fix. So why does this happen? There are 3 main reasons. Reason 1, your form has 0 friction. You see, Facebook's instant forms are designed to be very fast. Name and phone number are prefilled automatically from the user's profile. So one tap and they're submitted. That's great for volume. It's terrible for quality. When someone doesn't have to think or type anything, they're not thinking about whether they actually want what you're offering them. They're just tapping. The fix is to add at least one qualifying question that requires them to type a real answer, not a multiple choice, a typed answer. Something like, what is your monthly budget for this service? Or what area in Lagos are you located in? Or what specific challenge are you trying to solve? You see, the moment someone has to think and type, lazy leads will fall off. And the ones who complete the form are genuinely interested. Reason 2, your offer is too vague. You see things like get a free consultation, learn more about our services, request a quote. These offers attract everyone, which means they attract nobody specific. Now, the more specific your offer, the more qualified the person who responds. For example, get a free 20-minute strategy session for Lagos-based fashion brands doing at least 500,000 Naira in monthly revenue. You see, that offer already filters itself. Only the right person is going to submit that. Reason 3, your audience is too broad or too cold. You see, if you're sending a lead ad to a completely cold audience with no prior awareness of your brand, you are asking strangers to give you their contact details immediately. And you know what that is? That is like walking up to someone at a market and asking for their phone number before you said a single word about yourself. Most people won't do it. And the ones who do, you probably don't want to call them. Let me show you exactly how to set this up properly. I'm in the Ads Manager now. Step 1, choose the right campaign objective. You need to come up and create a new campaign. Select leads as your objective, not traffic, not engagement, leads. You see, a lot of people make the mistake of running a traffic campaign and sending people to a landing page hoping they fill in a form. That's fine. But if you want to use instant forms, you need to use the lead objective so that Meta will optimize for form submissions specifically. Step 2, you need to warm your audience before you ask for the lead. If you take a closer look at my screen, at the ad setup level, instead of targeting a cold interest audience, I want you to try this. Build a custom audience of people who have watched at least 50% of any of your previous videos or who have engaged with your Facebook or Instagram page in the last 60 days. These are actually warm people. They already know who you are. When they see your lead form, the conversion rate is drastically higher and the quality is dramatically better. Because why? They are not strangers. Now, if you don't have a warm audience yet, we'll talk about cold audience lead generation in a second. But if you have any video views or page engagement at all, use them. Step 3, you want to set up your instant form correctly. Now, when you get to the ad level, you're going to click on create form. Here is what most people get wrong immediately. They leave the form type as more volume. Change it to higher intent. Now, what does this do? Higher intent adds a review screen before the submission. So that means the person sees their details and has to confirm them. This one change alone will cut your junk leads by 30 to 50%. Now, add your qualifying questions. So go to questions, add a custom question and select short answer. This time around, don't do multiple choice. Ask them something that separates serious prospects from casual browsers. And write a clear, specific intro headline at the top of the form, not contact us. Something like book your free Facebook ad strategy call for Lagos business owners ready to scale. You see, that headline is doing filtering work before they even look at the form fields. Step 4, if you're targeting cold audiences, use a 2-step approach. Run a video view campaign first. Spend 3,000 to 5,000 naira a day for 5 to 7 days just to get your content in front of your target audience. Then you can retarget everyone who watched more than 50% of that video with your lead form ad. Yes, it takes an extra week, and yes, it costs a little bit more upfront, but your cost per qualified lead will be lower than if you'd gone cold from the start, because the people seeing your lead form already know you. So let me give you a real benchmark so you know what you're aiming for. See, if you're running a service business, whether it's coaching, consulting, real estate, agency work, a reasonable target is a 10 to 20% lead to call conversion rate. Meaning, if you get 50 leads, at least 5 to 10 of them should be willing to get on a call with you. If you're below that, the problem is almost always one of the 3 things I mentioned earlier. Zero form friction, a vague offer, or a cold audience. If you're above that, if 30 or 40% of your leads are converting to calls, you have a dialed-in campaign. Now, it's just a scaling problem that you have. The other thing to track is lead response time. You see, Facebook leads go cold faster than almost any other lead source. If you don't follow up within the first hour, ideally within the first 15 minutes, your conversion rate drops dramatically. So build a follow-up system before you scale your lead volume. This is a common mistake I see constantly. People spend money getting leads, then they spend 3 days trying to reach them manually, and they wonder why nobody is picking up. So here is the short version of everything I've just told you. 1, switch your form type from more volume to higher intent. Do this today. 2, add a typed qualifying question. Make them work just a little to submit. 3, make your offer specific. The more specific, the more qualified the lead. 4, if you have warm audiences, use them. Video viewers and page engagers convert far better than cold interest. 5, follow up fast. Speed is everything with lead ads. None of this requires a bigger budget. It requires a smarter setup. If your Facebook lead ads has been bringing you a flood of people who never pick up the phone, never respond to messages, and couldn't tell you what your business does, now you know why. And more importantly, now you know how to fix it. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because I see a lot of you engaging on our videos, but a lot of you have not yet subscribed to this channel. So please do that and give this video a thumbs up. I post 2 practical Facebook ads video every week. No fluff, no recycled advice, just what exactly is working right now in the Nigerian market. If you want to go deeper and learn how to build a full meta ad system for your business, from campaign setup to creative to scaling, check out my Meta Ads Playbook course. The link is in the description, and drop a comment below. What industry are you running lead ads for? I want to know. I reply to every of my comments. I'll see you guys in the next video.